Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. There were some changes on Meta platform, so the options and the tools have changed a little. Let me show you. Very simple, very easy. Launch the Facebook app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then I want you to click on the top right corner at the gear icon. When you're at your settings and privacy menu, I want you to click on the first menu, which is Account Center. When you're at Account Center, I want you to click on the Account Settings menu, the option number 2, which is Personal Details. When you're at Personal Details, I want you to click on Account Ownership and Control. When you're at Account Ownership and Control, you can click the Deactivation button, which is the second one. Deactivation will simply means that your account will be temporarily deactivated, and the reason for it is that you might want to go off social media. You might be off for particular reasons. You might hide particular content, so the people will not be able to find your account when the account is deactivated. Even people that have your link to your account, the account simply will not be showing. On Messenger, if you keep the Messenger up, the icon with your profile picture will turn gray and will lose its profile picture on Messenger. The main difference between deleting or deactivating the account is that with deactivation, your data and your files and your history will be saved, right? The moment you go back and reactivate the account by simply logging in, everything will go back to normal. But this is how you can deactivate your account on Facebook. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.